Hey there guys, welcome to Showroom Ridez. Today I'll talk about the success story of Jeep Compass in India. Jeep has a clear winner in the shape of the Compass, and what a shape it is, blending rugged looks with an upmarket feel to strike straight at the heart of an SUV buyer. But that's not all. It drives brilliantly, is well equipped and comes at a very affordable price. In this video, I'll explain you the factors which helped Jeep Compass cross 10,000 plus bookings in a fiscal year 2017. Number 1. Jeep's marketing strategy. Jeep Compass was officially launched in India on 22nd of July 2017, and Jeep has started doing marketing of Jeep brand by promoting the car on Khatron Ke Khiladi Spain in Spain on the launch date. The first episode of Khatron Ke Khiladi released on 22nd of July as well, and the promotional ad were started before a month on national television. So, this may be the big boost for the company to target the Indian buyers. Number 2. Build quality and safety ratings. The American car maker's baby SUV has been built in India and scored 5-star in a latest round of Euro NCAP safety test. The 5-seater SUV bagged a score of 90% in adult occupant safety and 83% in child occupant safety. The Jeep's test model was the Jeep Compass 4x4 Limited 2-liter diesel trim, but it was a left-hand drive model. However, these NCAP ratings also apply to all the right-hand drive models of the Sport, Longitude and Limited variants with 4x2 and 4x4 layout of both petrol and diesel engines. Number 3. Affordable price. Jeep Compass prices start at Rs 15.14 lakh for petrol and goes up to 19.66 lakhs. The prices of Compass diesel variants start at Rs 15.97 lakh, and the top end diesel is priced at Rs 21.36 lakhs ex-showroom Ahmedabad. Number 4. The Jeep brand. Jeep is a brand of American automobiles that is a division of FCA US LLC, a wholly owned subsidiary of Fiat Chrysler Automobiles. For over 75 years, the Jeep brand has been linked to freedom, adventure, authenticity and passion. Jeep brand vehicle owners have learned that go anywhere, do anything is not just a slogan, it's a way of life. The Jeep badge stands for more than a brand. In truth, it's a badge of honor. Well, the story is not ending here. The features you are expecting in an SUV with a price range of 15 to 20 lakhs, Jeep Compass fulfill all your need by providing plenty of features like dazzling front headlamps with DRL, sky grey leather upholstery and plush interiors, leather wrapped steering wheel, Uconnect infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dual zone automatic temperature control, superior storage, 6 speakers for surround sound, Jeep Active Drive with Select Rain, frequency selective damping suspension, hill start assist, 6 airbags, cornering fog lamps, all season tires, electronic parking brake, anti-lock braking system along with electronic stability control, reverse parking camera, passive entry and keyless go. The massive success is simple as Jeep left no stone unturned with this, as the Compass has the trademark high efficiency, space and practicality. With the new competition in 2018, it would be interesting to see whether the Compass maintains its momentum or not. Tell us what you think about the mighty muscular baby SUV. Give your valuable opinion by commenting below and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.